Ramping up quickly in a new job can help you get a better annual performance review, a higher annual raise, and accelerate the timeline of your next promotion. This video is my first in a series of 6, offering the best tips based on my career experience to help you ramp up quickly and effectively in a new job. And tip number 1 is learn everybody's name quickly and greet them by their name every single day. Greeting people by their names, in my experience, is what elevates relationships from coworker to ally. And if you're going to accomplish anything in business, you will need allies. 3 things you can do to quickly learn names are: 1, study the org chart. 2, take meeting attendance when you attend a meeting in the office. And 3, practice matching names and faces when you're on a Zoom virtual meeting. As Dale Carnegie, perennial bestseller and author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, best put, a person's name is to them the sweetest and most important sound in any language.